kids, first of all, I welcome you all to Kids Connect. Today we will talk about birds. First of all, we'll recite a poem. Title is Once I Saw a Little Bird. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? I went to the window to say how do you do, but it shook its little tail and far away it flew. Now we will count the birds. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many birds are there? Right, there are 14 birds. Now kids, we will play a game in which you have to identify the birds with the help of given clues. Here we go. Who am I? I stay awake in nights. I can see things which are far away. I can turn my head around. Children, can you identify this bird? This is owl. Then we'll move to the next bird. Who am I? I am a bird with beautiful and long feathers. I dance when it rains. I am the national bird of India. Can you guess the name of this bird? Right, this is peacock. Who am I? I am a bird with bright green feathers and red colored beak. I love eating green chilies. I can repeat what you say. Can you guess the name of this bird? This is parrot. Who am I? I am black in color. I have a melodious voice and I sing in spring season. This is cuckoo. Who am I? I can fly as well as swim in water. I say quack, quack. This is duck. Who am I? I'm a bird with blue-gray feathers. I make nests near your house. I sound coo and eat seeds. Any guesses? Right. This is pigeon. Who am I? I'm a small-sized bird with brown feathers. I chirp and make nests with sticks and twigs near your house. I eat insects and seeds. My name is Sparrow. So I think children you enjoyed this video. Keep on watching new videos of Kids Connect. Thank you. Have a nice day.